Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to find your link on Monopoly Go. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Now, after opening and logging into the application, you will see this interface. Here, you'll have to click on this three-lined icon at the top right side of the screen and click on Settings. Now, after you click on Settings, you will see that your user ID is available just right here. You can copy this user ID and share it with anyone you want. Now, in order to get your link, you'll have to click on your friends icon at the bottom right side of the screen and you will see your friend code appearing just right here. So, this is your link on Monopoly Go. You can click on this and this link will be copied to your clipboard. You can also just click on this share icon just at the left side of this friend code and choose the platform you want to share it to. After you click on send icon again and this link will be shared to anyone you want. So in order to find your link, you'll have to just navigate to friends and family section and your link will appear just right here. So that's how you find your link on Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.